out. I almost caught a taxi because I don't know where I'm going. Ooh, look at that. And then look at that. So yeah, that's kind of cool. I feel safe. I don't know, I think I was in a bad mood yesterday. It was a long bus ride. Because, yeah, I was just over it. But, yeah, I'm about to go to Parque Calderon to do the free walking tour and see what else the city has to offer. I only have 2 full days. Well, Sunday, but I believe everything is closed down there. So maybe I'll do like a little walk around Sunday. So, yep. Like it. It's not bad.
There is a life I lead in this city, hurrying to cut my teeth. I can take what I need to get by. It doesn't make it easy. The other piece of my heart moves slow, somewhere in the great unknown. When I return from the afterglow, will you carry me like I am whole again? Wait, hold on, be together, take me back where I belong. I want it all. I had a feeling, but the feeling is all gone. Hold on, put me together, take me back where I belong. I want it all. I had a feeling, but the feeling is all gone. If I could take you back to my youth and show you what I wish I knew, my will is strong with a place to lean. In the moment I hung desperately, the other ring on my wrist is gold, pairing with the light it holds. When I return from my skin and bones, I'm remembering the words you told me. Wait, hold on, put me together, take me back where I belong. I want it all. I had a feeling, but the feeling is all gone. Wait, hold on, put me together, take me back where I belong. I want it all. I had a feeling, but the feeling is all gone.